Hello all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to tell you about the if-else statement. The if-else statement is also known as a bidirectional statement and it is used in many programs. Now, let us start our lesson. This is a part of a revision. If-else statement is also a selection statement in Java. They are executed based on a condition, whether it is true or false. The different types of if statement are simple if statement, if else statement, if else if statement, and the nested if statement. Today, we are going to learn more about the if else statement. The if else statement in Java is a bidirectional statement. In my earlier video, I had told you about the simple if statement where one condition is checked, and if that condition is true, the statements are executed based on the condition. But in an if else statement, you can check one condition, and based on that condition, if it is true, it is going to do one set of statements, one block of statements, and if it is false, it is going to go to the else part and do another block of statements. Let us look at the flowchart now. The flowchart here, if you see here in the rhombus here, you have the test condition. So it's a bi-directional. Bi means two. So it can take two directions or two conditions can be solved in this particular form of if statement. So if the condition is true, it will execute the if block. If the condition is false, it will execute the else block. So this is the general form of the if statement. Now, let me explain the general form for you. So here we have the test condition, if test condition. So here first if is a keyword and in the parenthesis we are going to write the test condition. And this condition is going to be checked as true or false. A boolean value will be returned by the if condition. So here if this condition is true, it is going to execute these statements in the if block. Okay, and if this condition is false, if this condition whatever it is being put here is false, it is going to display the else part. So whatever is there in the else part, this part will be displayed and this set of statements will be executed by the compiler. So this is how the if else works. Now for more clarity we will look at a program in our BlueJ editor. Let us look at the BlueJ editor. In the BlueJ editor, I have created a class called as Ifelse Statement, and this program is going to check the greater of two numbers using Ifelse. So here I have declared the class as Ifelse Statement. I have called the package java.util.star because I'm going to use the scanner class to accept two numbers from the user. So here, as I told you earlier, we are going to check the greater of two numbers. So if you're going to accept two numbers, say 3 and 5, then we have to display 5 is the greater of the two numbers. So let us look at our program now. So here I'm having two variables int a comma b. Here I'm asking the user to enter the first number. That number is accepted in A, and next I'm telling the user to enter the second number and that number is accepted in B. Now let us see how we are going to find the greater of two numbers. So I'm going to say if A greater than B. So I'm using the relational symbol greater than. If A is greater than B, I'm going to print first number is greater than second number. I've used the concatenation operator plus here and I've put the variable A because in A only I have stored the first number. So if A is greater than B and then I'm saying print first number is greater than second number. Else I'm saying system.out.println second number is greater than first number. Now let us look at the output. I'm just compiling the program. There is no syntax errors. Okay, I run the program now. So I'm asked to enter the first number. I'm entering 12 and I'm entering 10 as the second number. So it prints first number is greater than second number. Okay, so what exactly happens here? So when I put 12 and 10, 12 is greater than 10. So it is printing first number is greater than second number. Now what we will do is we will run the program again and see how the else part works. So I close here. Okay, I'm going to run the program again. Here now I'm going to put up first number is a smaller number, let me say 2, and the bigger number I'm putting as the second number, I'm going to put as 15. So now it is printing second number is greater than first number. So what has exactly happened here? When I put 2 as A, this number, I'll just show you this. Okay, so here I have printed, I have put 2, here I put 15. So it is coming here and checking whether 2 is greater than 15. So this condition is false. So since it is false, it goes to the else part and it prints second number is greater than first number. So in our simple if, only this part actually works. In simple if, only this part works, but whereas in if else, you are having this condition. If it is true, the if part works, and if it is false, the else part works. Hope you understood this program. Hope you understood this program. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.